So with my new inner fender wells made and all the fab done for the mounts on the chassis, I'm gonna go ahead and coat this bed. Now, I'm gonna bedline both the inside and the bottom side all in one shot. And I'm gonna be using Seymour's new 2K protective coating. This is a hybrid polymer protective coating, and it kind of bridges that gap between a do-it-yourself bedliner and a professionally installed bedliner. It's incredibly easy to apply at home in your home garage. You don't need a spray booth to do it, and all you need to do is get one of these Schutz guns that Seymour also sells, set the pressure on your air compressor, and it is very, very easy to do. As a matter of fact, I've done this on multiple beds. Probably one of my favorite bedliners out there. All you got to do is mix the black in with the protective coat, and it's ready to spray. I think we'll sand it first, though. When you apply the Seymour 2K protective coating, the first step is what's called a coverage coat, and that's what we have done right here. And when you do that, you're gonna see that sometimes it might look a little blotchy, and that's because really the whole goal of this first coat is to basically get a good thick layer of the coating down. And when you do that, you're kind of spraying over here, and then we're spraying over there to make sure we get it into all the little nooks and crannies. But the key to making this whole system look really, really good is the last coat, and that is our drop coat or texture coat. We're basically going to shake the bottle less times. We're only going to shake it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to back the gun up probably about 24 to 36 inches away, and then I like to spray it in a really cool little spiral motion, and that gives us the best texture. Watch this. I'll prove it to you.
Nope, stop it. I take this serious, man.
Once you've finished your texture coat and you have the texture that you like, then you're done spraying. The 2K protective coating is dry to the touch in about an hour, and that's when you'd want to unmask everything. You can get into some light use if this is a truck bed coating in about 48 hours, but really you should give it a good week before you put anything in the back of your truck.